One of the keys to productivity is the accuracy of finished products. The ability to consistently achieve the final tolerances and the surface finish your components require. With aluminium, this is a particular challenge. Aluminium and aluminium alloys are notoriously difficult to machine precisely. And as tolerances become tighter, precision is exactly what's required. I'll show you what I mean. Because aluminium is a softer metal, machining it can cause material to build up at the point of cut. When it does, precision and surface finish are compromised. That means waste and extra cost. So Castrol have created Alusol. Castrol Alusol is formulated with innovative non-stick additives that are delivered to the point of cut in a very accurate way. The balanced formulation allows the fluid droplets to fully wet the surface and delivers the non-stick additives between the cutting edge and the workpiece to prevent metal buildup. With Castrol Alusol, you can achieve the precision you need with all kinds of aluminium machining, even on complex components. And more precision means more productivity. Castrol Alusol, precision performance in aluminium machining.
In an increasingly competitive market, the pressures on your production managers to hit customer deadlines and production targets are ever present, making efficiency and cost-effectiveness key to the success of your business. As one of the world's leading manufacturers of premium metal cutting fluids, Castrol understands how difficult it is to stay one step ahead of your competitors.
At Castrol, we're passionate about finding innovative ways to improve the performance of our cutting fluids, to help improve your machining operations, your business improve productivity and reduce costs.
Machining of aluminium alloys relies on a high-performance specialist fluid. Producing precision aluminium components isn't easy. Aluminium chips can build up at the tool and lead to poor quality finishes, resulting in reworking or scrapping of parts altogether. An effective cutting fluid not only has to perform this fundamental task, but has to withstand a number of challenging factors. A key challenge with cutting fluids is to keep them stable, which is costly and time-consuming. Cutting fluids are exposed to very harsh conditions, leading to bacterial and fungi attacks and contamination in systems. This can cause costly problems on the shop floor.
Bacteria and fungi can be problematic in a number of ways. Firstly, they feed on the components within the emulsion, which has an impact on product performance and stability, as well as producing unpleasant odours. Secondly, as bacteria grow, they produce acidic components, impacting the overall pH of the fluid.
Increasing acidity and a lower pH leads to the risk of corrosion, which is unacceptable for your machine.
To control bacteria, traditionally cutting fluids will use boron and formaldehyde releasing agents, but the usefulness of these biocides will reduce over time. In warm climates, their effectiveness can reduce further as the components are thermally unstable. This has an impact in storage even before you've used it.
Aftermarket service additives can be used to try and recover fluids, but they're costly and time-consuming. Introducing Castrol Alusol XBB. Combining innovation from our global Castrol technology centres and 5 years of intensive research, we've made a breakthrough in the battle against bacteria and tested it in the field.
We've developed new technology that reduces the impact of these bacteria. In testing, Castrol Alusol SL51 XBB has shown to neutralise up to 33% more acidic material than other standard aluminium cutting fluids.
Formulated using Castrol's unique technology, Castrol Alusol XBB significantly reduces or can eliminate the need for biocide additives. Its resistance to contamination can reduce downtime and costs linked to top-ups, ensuring your business maintains productivity. Castrol Alusol XBB represents our most stable aluminium cutting fluid yet. Precision performance in aluminium machining without compromising your productivity.
The trucking business is a battle, and only those who can adapt can win. That's why new Castrol Vecton with unique System 5 technology is specially formulated to adapt to changing engine conditions, lowers fuel consumption, extends drain intervals, lowers oil consumption, prolongs component life, and maximizes power. That's how Castrol Vecton helps maximize the performance of your fleet and your business.
Industrial coolants have to work in all kinds of tough conditions. They need to be constantly monitored to prevent bigger problems, like tramp oil, swarf and waste. They can all encourage bacteria and fungi to grow in coolant systems. Result: instability. When metalworking fluids become unstable, performance is compromised. Corrosion can set in. Then you need more maintenance interventions, and that could impact your overall operations. The answer is Castrol Alusol cutting fluid with resilient additive technology. It works like this. When the system starts to become contaminated, Castrol Alusol resists the degrading effects of contaminants. It stays stable, so Castrol Alusol maintains its performance. You can rely on it. Resilient additive technology means Castrol Alusol stays active for longer, even in contaminated environments. That means less waste, lower coolant consumption and less maintenance. And the longer your coolants last, the better, helping you meet your productivity goals. Castrol Alusol, long-lasting fluid for system stability.